Get some more exterior photos of the Conquest 365. So you're going to see up front, you do have a beautiful daybed there, and that will fold forward to a chase lounge situation. You have a nice windlass there and easy access to the chain locker. Beautiful stainless steel anchor on there. And you'll see on the coach top, we do have open array, extended range radar, spotlight, nice traditional horns, as well as some poles to fly out if you are fishing off your Conquest. So here you're going to see some beautiful chines on the Whaler 365. There's the outrigger poles for fishing. And here we go. So the Whaler 365, it's 36 feet, 6 inches, capacity of 16 people. She has a beam at, she has a draft of 18 inches and a beam of 812 inches. Interesting. You're going to see the pricing on this is going to go from about 1.1 up to 1.5 million, depending on how it's configured. Nice fold down seat here on the port side. And then in the aft, you've got a kind of a rumble seat that can fold up if you're fishing. Access to your live well here. And then stepping up a few steps, we do have a summer kitchen here. So you have a single burner cooktop there. Nice sink, cold storage down below. And forward of that on the starboard side is where your helm is. Now, why these are really popular, you can set this up in a couple configurations. So see the seats go either forward or aft facing. They can be opposing and they can be made into a daybed as well. You see you got the high-low table there. And that's a teak table that folds out. Beautiful electronics on this boat. This one's equipped with Simrad, so you've got 2 displays here, then you have a larger display over on the port side. You'll see the Mercury controls there with your sky hook and the joystick, so you can drive this boat either traditionally or with the joystick. And you can get this equipped with a bow thruster also if you do want. Up above you have some electronics there, and you do have a hatch that opens up for additional ventilation if you're not using your built-in air conditioning in this area. So we're going to step down into our main living space. So this is really nice here. We've got the forward berth here and just beautiful lighting and woodwork. You can really tell the quality with Boston Whaler that you get. You have a couch on the port side here, another sleeping area back here, which is across midship. Nice teak treads. And then in here is the enclosed head. You will note the nice dedicated shower there with the infinity rain fixture as well as the wands. Beautiful glass sink as well as an electric flush toilet. So a lot of functionality on this Conquest 365. See a nice courtesy shade here. The hatch opens up. And again, why people love this is they've got the nice enclosure. You got plenty of ventilation. So this will open up from here. The roof opens up and these side windows open up as well. So if you're pulling up, you use that joystick to get to the dock and throw your lines out, or you could even step through those windows as well. Back here's the Mercury Verados. We're just going to pan across and give you another view. So these Verados are the 400 horsepower V10s, and just a beautiful side profile on the Conquest. That pillar is a little bit in the way there, but you can see just great lines. Extremely popular boat. This is a follow-on to the Conquest 345, and they've taken that boat and refined it even further and did the 365.